We know that Tanan or all of the Batang Prisa, you have been preparing for this not just for weeks, not just for months. Probably some of you have been working for this for years already, for all the sacrifices, for all the trainings. Kag dumating na tayo sa punto na ipakikita natin ang ating lakas, ang ating giting at ating tapang in terms of the different sports competitions that you will be participating. So to all of you, God bless, and we know that whatever the outcome may be, what is important is that ginawa ninyo yung lahat ng kaya ninyong gawin. And we also would like to inform everyone that together with the province and the city of Bacolod, we will be providing free Wi-Fi sa lahat po ng mga billeting centers. We'll try to make it soon as possible. I was just reminded by Dr. Molina. So sa lahat, welcome to Bacolod City. Enjoy your stay. We hope that this is going to be a memorable Prisa in Bacolod and Negros Occidental. Salamat po at magandang gabi sa lahat.